Yes. So, Lausha, another question which many people are confused with or they think is it, as a beginner when you are learning, is it better to learn from a Chinese native or someone who can speak the common language? What is your thoughts on that?
I myself have been blessed to have amazing teachers who are all Indians. And I always feel that as an Indian, right, we would know what are the difficulties that we faced while learning the language.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to navigate and guide the students better, right? Because I have learned it, I've found these difficulties. I am a Tamil per se, so I know when I speak Hindi, I don't have the k, g, th. These aspirated sounds like k, th. It's very difficult for me. So I know how to teach, my fellow, students. Like, it doesn't matter which country you're from, as long as you have you don't have to have a native teacher for the beginner, unless the native teacher knows your language very well and also understands the difficulties as a foreigner. Right. So this is what I feel. I feel a native teacher is okay after you've learned the basics.
Right. Yes. Yeah. It's true. Yes, even I feel the same, Lausha, because I also learned when I was in Shanghai. So what struggle or what difficulty I faced is because many Chinese people, they don't have very good English, and there are so many words which you need someone to really explain the usage of those words. Because if you look at the English translation, it's the same. Let's say the word 认知 or 知道, both has to know. Right?
Yes,
but
absolutely.
When it comes to use, it's a different how to use.
Yes, they'll not be able to tell you the difference. Exactly.
Yes. That's what I struggle, because when I was in university, my teacher, he never spoke a single word of English, and I mean, it's like I should, I used to admire them, because without speaking English, some words they were able to explain us, what is this and how to use it, which scenario, with full. Using Chinese. That is their, capability, I would say.
Yeah.
But if you don't have a patience, then you become very impatient. Why?
No, it's not just being impatient. It's like that. You feel like you're ready to give up. It's a real fight, because you have. Because why do they say that Chinese is the toughest language? Let's come to that. Chinese grammar is actually easy. It's not the grammar at all that makes it difficult. It's only the tone, the tonal language. What is the tonal language? If you change the tone, the meaning changes. It is so difficult. It's like doing your Carnatic music riyaz or a Hindustani classical riyaz. That is what that's what I used to do. So tone practice is so important. Imagine, like, you'll have to sing a song instead of, that's what we used to feel like. Why do I have to say pa, 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 right? Every day in, day out. So apart from all those challenges, we have the challenge of writing the characters. Every character has so many different strokes, and they have stroke orders, right? So it is quite intimidating, a language, if you don't have the right guide, when you're learning the beginning. As a beginner, you need to find the right teacher, which is definitely, I would say, without no, disrespect to the Chinese themselves, but then you need to be really a professional who's already learned the language to be able to, teach a beginner.
Yes. So truly, understand that as a beginner, it's always, preferred to learn it from someone who speak your common language, and then maybe later you can, once you have a hang of the language, you can start interacting with the natives and start improving your the spoken part.
Yes. Even like after 28 years, I wouldn't say that I'm I know everything in Chinese. Nobody can say that. So obviously you will be 活到老学到老. There's a proverb, it's never ending. It's a C. So obviously it'll be very good after a year. I would suggest after, say, like you have your basic vocabulary, you've learned 1 year of Chinese, or maybe even 6 months of Chinese, and then you start, interacting with the locals. Then you won't feel so intimidated. Yeah.
Correct.